Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your 2025 roll number, date of birth, and exam center code. These authenticate you instantly. Once done, open the official board portal or app. Use the SMS/UST option if the site is slow. Make sure your connection is stable and device charged above 50% so you won't lose progress. Enter credentials carefully. One typo locks the form. If possible, use a desktop browser for reliability. Mobile is fine, but expect different layout and extra scrolling. Now proceed to the result page and pick the correct exam type, bed, semester, or annual, and set year 2025 because wrong selection returns no data. Next, solve the CAPTCHA accurately. It prevents bots and avoids repeated submissions. Enter roll and DOB, then press Get Result. Once results display, scan subject marks, totals, and pass or fail status. Download the PDF for an official copy. If percent or grade looks off, double-check the roll number before moving on. Finish by saving the PDF and printing at least one copy. Then upload a backup to cloud storage so you retain proof. Make sure to note the revaluation or recheck window and fee. These deadlines matter, so prepare documents and payment immediately if you plan to apply. If you encounter issues, page timeout, CAPTCHA loops, or missing data, clear your browser cache, try an alternate browser or device, and then contact the official helpline with your roll number for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.